In the heart of the Industrial Revolution, Victorian England was a city of smokestacks and chimneys, a land teeming with life and innovation. Yet, lurking in the shadows, a dark secret was being concealed: child labor. Young boys and girls, as young as 5, were forced to work in factories, mines, and mills, toiling for long hours in hazardous conditions, their dreams of childhood crushed under the weight of economic necessity. The cries of these innocent children echoed through the streets, their pleas for help unheard in the deafening roar of the machines. It was a crisis that could no longer be ignored. Enter a man named Robert Owen, a visionary social reformer, who dared to challenge the status quo. He believed that the exploitation of children was not only immoral but also a hindrance to the nation's progress. Owen, with his passionate speeches and tireless advocacy, ignited a flame of change. His ideas found resonance in the hearts of many, sparking a movement for reform. In 1833, the first child labor law was passed, setting a minimum age for factory work and limiting the working hours of children. It was a small step, but it marked the beginning of a larger journey towards fair labor. However, the battle was far from over. The law was met with resistance from factory owners, who argued that it would cripple their businesses. Yet, the voices of the children, now united, became a force to be reckoned with. In 1842, the Factory Act was amended to further protect children, limiting their working hours even more and increasing the minimum age. The reformers had triumphed, but the victory was bittersweet. The children, once slaves to the machines, were now free to be children. They could laugh, play, and dream, their futures no longer shackled by the chains of labor. The child labor laws reform was a testament to the power of unity and the indomitable spirit of those who dared to dream of a better world. It was a beacon of hope for children everywhere, a shining example of the transformative power of social reform. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Robert Owen, remembering the struggles of the past and the progress we have made. We continue to strive for a world where every child is given the opportunity to grow, learn, and dream, free from the shackles of exploitation.